Hey guys, welcome to the stream. This is our live trading room right now. It is Monday, November 13th, 2017, right around 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And we're taking a look live at a few trades that we have going on right now. We thought we'd mix it up and live stream our room to show everybody kind of what we do on a daily basis, the ins and outs of trading in the markets, futures and options. And so let's go through a few of these trades right now. We have gold. We went long gold at 1278.50, and we actually have another order to get long again with a buy stop above 1280, and in anticipation of a move back up closer to 1283 to 1286 in gold. So that's a long that we got going on right now. We are short crude as well. It's bouncing back up close to our entry. We already had taken off a few contracts a little bit lower. Made a few $100 on this. What else do we got going on? Bonds coming close to our entry at 124.20. This is the 10-year, and with a tight stop right below this 124.18 level. We are actually short the S&P as well from about 25.83. First target is down at 25.79 and then back towards the lows of 25.73 with a further contract lower than that. I don't know if we're going to get down there. Definitely not in the next 10 minutes or so, it doesn't look like. So we're just going to have to hold on and see. Got a couple different price structures playing out right now on different time frames, so we'll see which one is going to hold. For bonds to really hang on to this level, we're looking at the yen as well to hold on to this area. Right around the 88, 100. There's a level lower than that that we like a little bit better to get long, but given the confluence of bonds and yen, especially in the levels that they're at, we'll see if they'll hold. See if we can get down here and get filled on this, on the 10-year. Check on rates. The actual 10-year interest rate is 2.393. Look at the daily. We had broken above 2.4 in the 10-year for a few days. Wasn't able to hold it. And we came back down to this 2.3 level. Bounced from there. Now we're back at 2.4, so see which direction the market wants to go. Looking at the VIX is still staying up at 11 from the lows. Below 10 just recently last week, so we'll see if we can stay above this level and get a further move up. Get some volatility back into this marketplace. Come on, gold. Gold looks like it wants to pop up. See if it can continue its move. This is on a small time frame, so we want to see it break out. Let's get long with another contract. Take us back up to this 240 minute level. A little higher up on the daily. Gotta get above here. Yes, doing. Staying underneath this trend line, staying within this channel. See if we can get a move back down to this other side, this lower side, which would put us on the lower end of this bigger channel. See that on the daily as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go over custom sessions later. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do that later. Yeah, one of the questions was how do we set up custom sessions, custom charts, like this crude chart? If you go to other sessions in TradeStation, you can create custom sessions specifically for quote unquote the pit hours or market hours, US market hours only, 6:30 to 1. You can do it in gold, you can do it in copper, you can do it in nat gas, crude oil, interest rates, you can do it as well. Even the equity indices. Um, yeah, so I'm going to go over that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Got about 15 minutes before oil closes. Let's see what they want to do with it. Up 9 right now, 9 ticks on the day. Alright, let's take a look at the Russell. It's not doing much. I gotta get above these levels for it to mean anything. Still hasn't even closed the gap on this. Should get a pop up from here. Pop up, stop everybody out, and pull back. We'll see. One can hope. What's the NASDAQ doing? Still needs to get above this 63.25 area. Crude. See if I can hold this little downward movement we got going on. Gold sitting there. Looks like it wants to pop. We'll see. Euro's going up. Dollar should be going down then. Dollar going down. Gold go up. I want to look for correlations. I want to use correlations in terms of making decisions when we trade. It only helps. Yeah, the dollar, you definitely want to be paying attention to the dollar, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't have the real-time feed on the dollar on TradeStation. Nah, I just go to investing.com and look at one of the streaming charts. Uh-huh. Yeah, or you can look at yeah, you could just look at the euro for the most part if you trade that. I just trade the futures contract anyway, so kind of the proxy for the dollar. I'll throw it up on a chart though. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Why why do we look at so many charts? Well, it's multiple time frame analysis. You want to make sure that you're able to identify the areas where you can, with a high probability, high certainty, anticipate a change in direction. Yeah. Even if it's short term, long term, doesn't matter. Uh-huh. You can use price charts to do that. Yeah, I mean, that's all you really need is just price action alone, but it's helpful to have certain things to be able to look at. Mm-hmm. Right. It's the YM. We were waiting for this level up at 23,420 to come into play, and it may come into play in the next couple minutes here. Pop above this high at 12, get into this zone. I do like the 23,440 area better up in this area. Yeah, you just want to go to the extremes, the higher areas. Plus there was more trading going on in here. This is two candles and a huge drop. You had this trading behind here before it dropped out of here. Couldn't even make it back up here, so yeah, I like this zone a little bit better up here. Put an alert. Use a trend line horizontal line as an alert. Yeah, you can put alerts in the radar screen as well, but I have so many charts up, it's just easier to have it up. Let's see what gold's doing. Let's see here. Yeah, hey Phillips, Switch 78. Yeah, we do keep trading logs of all the trades that we do take, both futures and options. Any trades that we take in the rooms, we have alerts sent out, and we also um, record them in our TJS trade journal spreadsheet trade logs that we use. Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. We need to see this break above this overnight high of 79.90. We're going to get long again with another contract right above that area at 80.10. We're currently long right now at 78.50. Waiting for this thing to pop up. S&P is popping up. We'll see if it's going to hold this overall pattern here on the 60 and the 240. Let's look at the small time frame on SPX and the cash market too. You may see this pop above both these highs right here. Get a little pullback. Stop people out. After a wild morning in crude, it's just slowed way down today. So we're about to go into the close. We have about 9 minutes before crude closes. So we'll see what it's going to do. Our third target is down here at 56.20. We had taken some off at 74 and 69. Waiting for a further drop. This 56.50 area may be interesting. So keep an eye out. See what bonds are doing. Maybe we'll get filled. Russell. Russell and the Dow doing the same thing, coming right up into these levels. Let's take a look at Amazon. We're trying to put a trade on today. We're trying to do an iron condor. And also strangle some of the accounts. We got to do iron condors, but the strikes are the same. This thing just keeps moving up. Moving up, moving up, moving up. let's take a look at this thing. This is on the 240. From this all-time high, it made at 1,083 just about to this most recent swing low below the 50 MA at 931. A 138% extension level is right around where we're at, 1,141 bucks. So we may see a little pause before we move up to the next level, which would be 1176. We may get a little pullback and then see a further move up to the 1177 area, and that's 161.8 extension on this fib level. These aren't specific areas where you would just want to get short, but more as targets if you were long, or potential areas to lean against to sell some premium in some options. And that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're looking at the 1170 calls and the 1100 puts for next week. Actually, this week, excuse me, this week. And it's about $1.30 credit for what we're looking for on the condors. Yeah, I was just taking a look. We didn't get filled yet. Mm-mm. Yeah, we'll see. Mm-hmm. Let's move back. Alright, looks like the ES is going to poke its head up. Let's see if we're going to take these highs out or not. Crude. Sitting there. Oops. Gold. Yeah, well, the yen is holding on right here, so bonds should be kind of doing the same thing, and they are. We still didn't get filled yet on this. No, I haven't gotten. Mm-mm. About 800,000 contracts. The ES, we're at 810 for the day. Crude actually has some decent volume, yeah. Mm-hmm. No, you want to day trade anything with at least, I want to say 50,000 in volume. Mm-hmm. Over 100 is ideal for day trading, yeah. Position trading, swing trading. Um, yeah, I would say like 15,000, 10, 15, 20,000 contracts is fine. Bigger zones, wider zones, yeah. Hmm. All right. And we are closing in about a minute on crude, yeah. Let's see if they're going to push it down lower. Gonna bounce between these two little zones. few more seconds. That's it. Pit trading hours closed. You'll see in the custom sessions right here. Stop trading. This is just regular session hours, which is the Globex hours. It's going to continue to trade. Yeah, these custom sessions are cool because you can see when the individual products have their specific trading hours. You can also line up sessions with the U.S. market, the day trading hours. 6:30 to 1 here. Yeah, Pacific yeah. Mhm. Mm. Gold is going the other way. Let's see if it's going to hold on to this little level. Yeah, this is the stop for the buy stop order. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, no, it's not. No. All right. Let's see, the S&P popped up. Hit that level again. Let's see if it can see if it's going to hold. Yeah. Hey, Phil, send us an email. Yeah, we'll get back to you on that. Yeah, I mean we have option strategies that we take, and then we have futures trades, and then futures on options. Um, we can get specific about it. I mean, typically it's really meant for our members to see, but um, yeah, just shoot me an email. Shoot us an email. We can get you some information. No problem. No problem. Frequency in the futures market, really, in terms of what we're taking, we normally trade off of 60, 240 in dailies. If there's levels on smaller time frames and we're in a session, we'll typically take them just so we have something to look at. Win rate in futures is between 50 to 60%. Um, Options well north of that. In one of our accounts that we have, we simply sell premium in it, and so the win rate is 100%. But we're taking maybe two trades a week, two trades every 2 weeks. So it just depends on what we do. We do a number of things: futures, options, options on futures. But yeah, just shoot us an email and we'll get you some info. Crude's pulling back. Yeah. Right at 56.74. That was our first target that we got out of this morning. So let's right back into that area. I'm going to go ahead and leave our stop where it's at. I want to see this move down further, at least pull back down to the 56.50 area before moving my stop to break even. Right now it's basically a risk-free trade. The amount of money that we pulled out of it on 2 contracts is giving us that risk-free opportunity right now. We can lock in profit if we moved in. Move the stop to break even, but I feel like we need to give it a little wiggle room and let's see it pull back a little further. Gold, ooh, gold bounced, good. Yeah, let's see this thing move up. Yeah, squeezing a little bit. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, we don't use anything special. No, I just look at the TTM squeeze. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's in Thinkorswim. Yeah, it's John Carter's indicator. I mean, the same, I mean, yeah. It's literally just Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels combined into an indicator. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You could do either way. I like his. It just smooths it out. Yeah, I mean, we're aware of the momentum, the momentum, mm-hmm, and those type of opportunities. Yeah, it happens. Happens on everything. Indices, futures, individual stocks. Yeah, we'll day trade SPX options. Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we'll use price action alone really to make the determination, but um, you know, looking at those other pieces of information certainly doesn't hurt. See what this thing wants to do. Damn it. There we go. Nat gas is pulling back. Yeah, it made some highs. Yeah, it's helping with oil. Should. But these areas haven't been hit yet. Mm-mm. Yeah, these are 240 minute. That one. I guess that one. Oh no, barely did. Nope. Let's see here. I like the low down here, right above the gap, but these aren't the worst levels. They're fresh, yeah, they haven't been retested yet. Yeah, you want to go down to the 60 minute and see. Yeah, see that lower level is still where the strong move was. And that higher one was just a retest of this area, right? Yeah, I like it down here better, to be honest. I know there's more trading, but this is where the move kind of originated, so that's what we want, the origin of the move. Trade the extremes, yeah. Bonds, just sitting there. S&P. Come on, do something. Yeah, I'll bring that up. I'll show that one. Yeah. Hold on, you'll see something pop up. Oops. I help if I could spell. Yeah. So this is what we look at. It's just squeeze on different time frames. Again, multiple time frame analysis with the you add this overlay or indicator. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is on a smaller time frame. It's been squeezing. This is considered the squeeze when you have these red dots. Yeah. No, yeah, no system, no indicators. Perfect. No. I mean, it works. It works a high percent of the, yeah, on the higher time frames. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we buy calls and puts directionally when we have squeezes on the higher time frames. Lowest I'll go is an hour. Yeah, I like the hourly charts, but the 4 hour and the dailies are really good. High probability of the trades working out. You do multiple contracts, and so you can scale out. Yeah, you don't even need to go that far out. No. If you're on a weekly squeeze or a daily, then yeah, you'd want to go, 30 to 60 days out potentially. You don't have to go that far. Yeah, you just buy high delta in the monies. Way cheaper than going long the stock. But you can also, yeah, obviously do it in the futures market. Yeah, just more stuff to look at. Yeah. I'll pull it up. I'll pull up the Bitcoin chart. No, I just look at Forex, daily FX, yeah. No, I haven't traded it. Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah, you can technically trade it the same way. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You just need to have a broker that allows you to do it. Simple FX is one of them, yeah. You do Coinbase, have a coin wallet, and just buy and hold, but I wouldn't recommend doing that up here. Look at this thing. Yeah, I'd want to own it back at right around 2,800, 3,000. I don't know if we'll get back down there before we move up to 10, at least to this previous high, which would be a nice area because it's this huge breakout candle, yeah, which is right around 49.60. But I think we're going to retest up at these highs again, 71, yeah, 71.33, 7,400. You'll see it pop up back in here and then pull back. Yeah, no, we're gonna potentially start trading it. Yeah, we got a bunch of people that ask about it, so. Mhm. Yeah, it'll be a learning experience for us too. Right? It's funny. Yeah. Anyway, all right. Yeah, they got a ton of different products coming out. CME Group actually is coming out with futures for Bitcoin, which is pretty crazy. Mhm. And options on the futures. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna see some volume in there potentially. Let's go back to the ES. Finally filling that gap. See if it wants to push higher. Hopefully these bigger time frames are gonna hold. That's what we want to see. Bonds, you're gonna come down and fill me. Move my order. 19 and a half. Gotta come fill us down there. Let's see, crude. Yep, settled at 78, 76. Hold on to this little area right here. We are going to stay in. See if we can move back down lower. Hasn't been able to close below this 56.66. Yeah, you can see all these candles, all the wicks down here, which usually means what? Pointing to the demand down below. Yeah, this may be where we come back into. You'd have to put the stop up below this. Outside this, yeah, below the 55.60. Got in here once already. Made a lower high, made a lower low, lower high, lower low. Oh, we got some fingers pointing down below, potentially in here. Much better areas down below to get long, but this thing's going to continue to move up. This is just the basing before it moves up again. These are potential areas where it may, yeah, it may come into. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, yes. Slowly but surely, every day. Up, up, up. Yen's hanging on. You see this euro move higher. Ooh, there's that gas. Right into this first area. Nah, I got my sights set on this one down below. May hold. Nice strong move out of there. Yeah, and that gas is gappy. Hmm. Which makes it, yeah, good for trading. Gold, you are not behaving. Yeah, right up in there. Just that high. It's open on this candle. Yeah, so on the SPX, yeah, directional. If you think, yeah, if you're, yeah, we still didn't get filled on Amazon. Uh, Today's an expiration day, so you can buy at the monies, or slightly out of the monies, the 85s. Yeah, they're only a buck oh five right now. This thing moves back down to 80. You can make $5. Yeah, it's 500 bucks. Paid 100 bucks for the contract. You get out at 5, that's 500 bucks. You made 400. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just little day trades like that. Do that with a 10 lot, you're risking 1,000 bucks. Yeah. Get out at 5 on a 10 lot. Some cool math. Not bad. Yeah, same thing in the morning. I mean, you can, if you had a signal, yeah, buy calls, get long, you know, buy something at the money, right up outside the money on expiration days. Uh-huh. Yeah, some people don't trade futures, some people trade only options. I do both, why not? Yeah, gold. I don't like the look of this. No, but we're gonna stay in it. Yeah, I like the look of this. Similar to this, similar to this, similar to this. So we're gonna see some follow through to the downside. Stay within this channel on the 60 and the 240. Mm-hmm. Nice strong move up on this 60-minute. Yeah, this is a custom session. Looks a little different than this 60. It's basically the same thing. Yep, took out the lows. Still in this. You get a fat rally up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's some levels above here that I like to. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Gotta be aggressive on the shorts. Yeah. This market does not stay down. Yeah, this is a bracket order. Just went short 3. Stop above these highs. First target 2 to 3 points away on the S&P. Yeah. Yeah, the ATR on this is like between 2 and 3 on these little moves. So first target is usually a 1-to-1 with the stop. Yeah, I'll put more contracts on the first target. Yeah, a lot of your trades aren't going to be home runs. Mm-mm. They're going to be small winners. You just got to use position sizing correctly. Yeah, at least 3 lots is the way to go. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right. Oh, we just got filled in bonds. Here we go. Bonds are about to close in about 45 seconds. See what they do with them. Already, yeah, we're slightly down on the day. Yeah, we're right here. Nice, there we go. Wick over wick on the 240. 30 seconds. Let's see. Yen doing. Yeah, the yen's popping up. I like that. That's boding well for the 10-year. Let's see. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you just gotta check correlations. Check maybe once a week. Yeah, check the correlations once a week at least. I mean, you get a good feel if you're trading in the markets quite a bit. Mm-hmm. You kind of know when something's out of whack, and you can go look and see. Catching a falling knife, yeah. So, it's a gap fill right here on the daily. Yeah, price closed right here and opened up here. Yeah, it traded up there, but no, it's a gap fill. Yeah, it's a daily. This is, yeah, you'd want to be going long rather than getting short right here, I think. At least shorter term. Mm-hmm. Let's look back at equities. Come on, S&P. Pull back. Instead, you're pulling gold back. Okay. The VIX is not doing a damn thing. No. No. Yeah, we got strangles on in crude too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the 60-54. 60 calls, 54 puts, and in the futures options, yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, you saw this massive run up, right up into this, above all these highs. Yeah, you want to look at the continuous, the adjusted, unadjusted, one of those. Right up into the supply zone. This was from last year. Yeah, we sold strangles right up in here. Yeah, you could trade options on futures and also trade futures by itself. Uh-huh. So you could day trade around these positions, these bigger time frame positions. You can swing trade and day trade. That's what, this was. Hmm. Yeah, gold's not looking that hot. Yeah, we didn't get up here yet. I mean, we got pretty darn close to this 1290. Mm-hmm. 1304, yeah, is ideal. Yeah, these were a couple other shorts. First retest of the gap and go is gonna be the best trade on this. But that's while this is happening, before this downtrend occurs. Yeah, it's right in here. By the time we get back up here, gold's gonna be in an uptrend. So these levels may still work out for smaller term trades, but if we can get back up there, we're definitely gonna be in an uptrend. Yeah, we gotta get out of this channel or whatever the heck we're in right now. There, there. Mm-hmm. We gotta clear this 1290. Those bonds on the lows. Push up, base, push up, base, push up. We shall see. I don't think there's any earnings plays today. Let me see. Yeah, we use Thinkorswim for options. Mhm. Yeah, I just use their scanner. Nah, for futures, yeah, for futures we just have I just have the radar screen and watch list. hmm Yeah, no, we just wanted to mix it up today and do a live stream. Yep, get some outside viewers, get some people to see what we do on a daily basis. Uh-huh. Yeah. No, we'll probably end up doing it a few more times this week. Yep. We got some videos coming out as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go over that custom session. Mm-hmm. Adding custom sessions. We're gonna do a couple examples. Copper, gold, interest rates, nat gas maybe. Yep. Mm-hmm. P sitting there. Crude's coming down. Gold is the only thing that's bugging. Yeah. Too much trading down in here. It's gonna hold this structure. Let's see. Yeah, ideally you'd wanna on the 240. Yeah, this is just a 5 minute. Yeah. We were trying to get in and see if it was gonna pop up and it's not doing it. But you'd still potentially want to be long this. You're just gonna have to have a stop below 73, 74. You could trade options on this. GLD, options on the futures itself. Yeah. Primarily we just, yeah, I'm looking at price structure of the candles, where moves originate. Uh-huh. Drop in, right into some demand, bases, moves out. Potentially this is an area if price came back into the zone, yeah, it would. Mm-hmm. Come in and then head back out. Right. Let's see. Gold. It's gonna play out. Yeah, we're gonna. Mm-hmm. Crude's up nice. We're down to 70 now. Let's see if we can pull back a little further. S&P's rallying, so it is going the other way. It kind of looks like. We'll see if it can get above 86, 87. Got this little structure right in here. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see how gold plays out. Euro pulled back. The yen has pulled back. Bonds are pulling back. VIX is pulling back. Yep. Okay. Sounds good. All right, guys. Thanks for joining today. Again, this is Jeff with Simply Derivative. We will be live streaming a few more times this week. Check us out on social media. Check us out at our site, simplyderivative.com. If you have any questions, comments, you want more information on how we do this on a daily basis, what we do, feel free to send us an email, hit us up on social media, or check us out on the site. Like I said, we have group coaching in the live trading room, kind of exactly what you're seeing here, but you'll be in there with our members, asking questions, interacting, learning, and taking trades with us real time. Yep, sounds good, guys. All right, we'll see you next time. All right, take care.